Hi, this is Alex with Blue Star, and I'm going to walk you through this 5-year projection profit and loss statement, also called an income statement. You can see down here there's 4 tabs. These 2 blue tabs are the same. One is just blank, and one is an example just to see how it works. Same thing here. This is the blank one. This one is with an example. The difference between the blue and the green. The blue includes cost of goods sold and gross margin percent. Whereas if your company doesn't need that, I don't have it there. For this example, since these two work the exact same way, I'm just going to go ahead and fill in this spreadsheet, this template that has the cost of goods sold. So you can see here, 2024. You can change that to whatever year you want to. Those are automatically going to update. First instruction is just to update your descriptions. Sales, and interest income. And then I'm going to select those and I just selected those, right clicked, did delete. This is automatically filling in right now because it's saying that you're having a 0% growth. So you can see right there, those are all the same. Let's go down here and do rent, utilities, payroll, other. And then once again, I'm just going to highlight, right click, select delete. If on the other hand, I wanted to add some more rows, I would go up here, copy it, and insert it. You can see there the formulas work. Okay, rent. I'm just completely making up numbers, so if they don't make sense, that's why. There we go. So right here, you can see that this automatically kept it the same. Your sales are 10,000 for the next 5 years. Your interest income is 25,000. That doesn't make a lot of sense, but whatever. So here is where we actually put in our growth. Let's say that I think our sales from 2024 to 2025 are going to grow 3%. You can see here, that's a 3% growth, and then it kept them the same. Let's move this to 10 so you can see how it kind of compares. If I did 3, 3, 4, 3. So that's basically what you do. Take that, copy and paste it down, and kind of see how this profit and loss statement looks. How do I feel about this projection? Right here, I'm showing that I'm going down by 1%, which is, I really don't want to do that. So let's go in here and see. My sales, net profit's going down. And my total expenses are up. The cost of goods sold is up 10%, 25%. That's, this one's up 25% year over year. Well, that's probably why. What if I took this to, 15%? There you can see I have growth. So this is kind of where you can go and, mess with it, see what you think is reasonable based on your company. Your company. What do you think makes the most sense? But this is how you use this template. Thanks. Reach out if you have any questions.